This is a quick demo of Habinator coaching platform for health coaches. Client invitation happens by email. The email should be the same as the registered email address in the app. If the user hasn't installed the app yet, they will get instructions per email. Because goal setting and progress is maybe the most important part of health coaching, let's look at that first. Here you can see that our client has 2 goals, and you can see what tasks they have finished per day. You can also drill down to an individual goal. The idea is to get a clear picture if your client is progressing or if a goal needs some adjustment. And now comes the most unique and powerful feature of the Habinator coaching platform. The goal management library was created by the philosophy create once and optimize. So the idea is that you or your company create the templates and you adjust them before assigning them to your client. Then you can add and improve your goal templates as you grow as a health coach. The goal creation process is exactly the same as in the app. You can start from the 300 ready-made templates, or you can create one yourself from the scratch. This means you can create your program once and use it with all your new customers. Assigning a goal to your client, it still requires you to go through the step of creating the goal. That's because every client is different and every client needs some adjustment for their goal. They need some motivation, they need a different description maybe, and you can give them different exercises as tasks, as you can see here. You can also remove some tasks, and after the goal is created, it will instantly appear in their app. Because reaching health goals and chasing habits is a process, you probably need to edit the goal and make some changes with your client along the way. And that's easily done from the client's goal tab, as we saw in the beginning. Next, let's look at meters. Meters are any relevant measurement to track progress like sleep duration, mood, blood sugar, or like in this case, weight, exercise minutes, and energy levels. Tracking the process using meters give you the hard facts if the program you're doing is actually working or not. And for the client, you can show visually that they are making progress. If not, you should do some changes to your plan. Meaning, of course, optimizing the health goals with your client. This usually happens after talking with your client in a meeting. These meetings we call sessions. You can plan your session in the beginning of the program so they work as a checklist, or you can create them as you go. In any case, you can plan your meeting and make notes during the meeting. When you have created a session, it will show up in the dashboard where you will get an overview of your weekly chores. This was a very quick overview of the current Habinator coaching platform. The platform is currently available in Finnish, German and English.